Officially, we sold cars of Korean assembly. At the end of 2015, the power structure of the front of the body was strengthened. The list of options and electronic assistance was significantly extended. The 7-seater version of the Grand Santa Fe is 225 millimeters longer. Modification 4X2 was sold in barely noticeable quantities. The most common atmospheric gasoline 2.4 MPI, 171 to 175 horsepower, in his youth suffered from scuffing and turning the liners, although this was not a massive problem. In 2015, the engine was upgraded, including installing a more efficient oil pump. Other sores are not so terrible: oil seal leaks, age-related coking of rings and throttle. The timing chain lives 150,000 kilometers. The engine resource goes far beyond 500,000 kilometers, petrol 33.5, 249 to 270 horsepower, having become only on the Grand. The formation of soot in him goes faster and affects earlier, to 100,000 km. We recommend cleaning every 50,000 kilometers. All gasoline engines are noisy, with tapping and palpable vibration. This is their working condition. The ignition coils are not very tenacious. They are afraid of moisture, the phase regulator and the bearing of the air conditioning compressor. The turbo diesel 2.2, 197 to 200 horsepower, has a good reputation. If you count on 300 to 400,000 mileage, you need regular cleaning of the injection pump, throttle valve and EGR exhaust gas recirculation system. The pump in this case serves up to 200,000 kilometers. EGR is best cleaned at every service, although some prefer legal tuning, valve blocking. The turbine serves up to 250,000 kilometers without intervention. The motor is characterized by high oil consumption, up to 0.5 liters per 1,000 kilometers, the norm, and a low resource of the particulate filter. The rare diesel 2.0 has similar properties and character. There are no questions about the 6-speed mechanics, in 2 modifications, indestructible. The dual-mass flywheel and clutch will be asked to rest by 150,000 kilometers. But in Russia, Santa with mechanics was chosen by less than 10% of buyers. The 6-speed automatic is also hardy and with regular oil changes, every 40,000 kilometers or more, can withstand 200 to 250,000. On early machines, self-loosening of the central gear bolts, which killed the box, happened. In 2013, the defect was eliminated. In the all-wheel drive system, the insufficient strength of many joints is noted. The spline connections of the intermediate shaft and bevel gear are poorly protected from water and dirt. Without constant care, they quickly rust. Sometimes they need to be replaced by 70,000 kilometers solution, lubrication at every maintenance. The electromagnetic clutch is not designed for long-term loads and slippage, and overheating accelerates its 5-wear. The pendant is strong, a relatively weak point. Wheel bearings can give up to 50 to 80,000 kilometers. Silent blocks and ball joints live 80 to 100,000 kilometers. There are complaints about the resource of the steering rack, which sometimes began to knock at low mileage. They were changed under warranty. The factory later decided that these were her working sounds. You can smooth them out with lube. The electronic parking brake is moping. If the pad wear is high, the system no longer distinguishes between the on and off commands, continuing to block the wheels.